Welcome viewers. Today I'm going to be doing some lower ball joints on this E350. I really enjoy doing ball joints. It's not something I get to do very often, like once every 3 months or so. I've got the tie rod's already disconnected, the calipers, brackets, and rotors already off, so I've just got a naked knuckle right here. So let's get after it. Soak that lower ball joint. Oh, I don't think I can get that in there. Next, to pull this pinch bolt off the top, 15 millimeter. Better do a little soaking. We're going to loosen up this bushing. I think it may have loosened up. There it is. And it's indexed, it's got a little tab. It only goes in there one way, so you can't mess that up. I'm going to put the nut on a few turns so the whole knuckle doesn't fall out. I'm going to beat on it with a 6-pound sledge and see if it pops out. It's in there. Okay, there's one side. Oh, on there. Actually, I should leave that on. What am I doing? Put that back on a few turns. Well, I have the first knuckle in the vise. I'm going to pull this snap ring out. And I'm not doing the uppers, I'm just doing the lowers. This is a sales vehicle, so it's just fix only what it needs. To pop this out, to rig my cup, I think what I'm going to try to do is just heat this up and air hammer it out, make it easier. We'll see if this works. Let's give it a try. That thing ain't budging. Well, let's try round number 2. So I don't have the cup for this one. It's got to be kind of a thin wall, go in the back there. The one I have is just slightly too small. Oh well, I got it out, but I've got the stuff to get it back in. But that's a good alternative method. Just gotta make sure you get a lot of heat and pound the hell out of it. I'm ready to install the lower ball joint. I've put just a little bit of grease on it. I think I've got the cups I need. I have a new C-frame press I bought. I think I got it for 90 bucks on Amazon. The other one, the screw in it was just worn out. I know this isn't the best ball joint press, but this thing's probably close to 20 years old. I think OTC makes this. So this is how the cups we're going to use. This little notch will go right next to the knuckle where it's tight tolerance. So let's try this out. see how this works. Let's get it positioned in here, turn it. Make sure it's flat. Normally I just use impact and impact it in, but it's a little easier on this threaded shaft here to go in by hand. That's it. That went in real nice. All the way in? Yes, it is. Looks like it's fully seated. Yeah, that's nice and stiff. Then we'll put our snap ring back in. And then do the other one. One down. Round number 2. So this one should go a little faster since I've got the first one done. Kids already know what to do. Basically a lot of heat. Yeah, the second go around a lot faster when you know how to do it. So like a lot of ball joints, each one's kind of unique. There's a different way you can do them, especially if you don't have quite all the proper tools like I do. I should say the cups. I don't have the proper cuts, but I always make stuff work. That's part of being a mechanic. In with the new ball joint. See if it'll start. There it is. See if we can draw this one in by hand. Oh yeah. No problem. Yeah, that worked great, even though I didn't quite have the proper cups, but made it work. All right, time for assembly. That's all there is to it for this side. Just put the rest back together. Get the tie rod on there, brake rotor, caliper, all that. Turned out nice.